While we couldn't make it to the official 70th celebration, we brought the magic home once again. In this video, we're making a Disney-inspired favorite, barbecue chicken pineapple pizza, a perfect mix of sweet, savory, and theme park nostalgia, creating magical moments, one slice at a time. Let's gather our ingredients for this pizza masterpiece. To bring the Disneyland-inspired magic to life, here's what you'll need. 1 pound diced chicken breast, 16-ounce mozzarella cheese shredded, 1 large red onion diced, 1 condensed pineapple drained, your favorite barbecue sauce, fresh cilantro finely diced, 2 12 to 14-inch pizza crusts. Now let's build the flavor and fun Disney style. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a heated pan over medium heat. Add your diced chicken breast with salt, pepper, and paprika about 1 teaspoon each. Then cook for 5 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally until the chicken is nicely browned and reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius. Once fully cooked, remove the chicken from the pan and set it aside. We're off to a sizzling start. Time to bring the flavor. Take your pizza crusts, 12 to 14-inch, and spread a generous layer of your favorite barbecue sauce evenly across each one. Pro tip: don't leave a big crust border. Spread that sauce edge to edge for maximum flavor in every bite. This is your pizza. Your rules. Have fun with it. Let's get saucy. Now for the magic touch, the cheese. Sprinkle about 1 cup of shredded mozzarella evenly over each pizza. Of course, this is your masterpiece, so feel free to add more or less depending on how cheesy you like it. There's no such thing as too much cheese, right? Take about 4 ounces of your cooked, diced chicken breast and spread it evenly over each pizza. Make sure every slice will get a little love from that juicy, flavorful chicken. We're building layers of deliciousness, one topping at a time. Now it's time to bring a little zing. Take half of your diced red onion and sprinkle it evenly over each pizza. The onion adds a nice crunch and a pop of color to balance out the sweet and savory flavors. Rainbow sparkles. A little bold, a lot delicious. Here comes the great pizza debate. Pineapple. Pizza fire. I used about half a cup of diced pineapple and spread it evenly over the pizza. Sweet, tangy, and totally tropical. It's not for everyone, but we love it. Whether you're team pineapple or not, this combo brings a flair to the pizza. Here comes another love it or leave it topping. Cilantro. I sprinkled a couple of pinches over the top to add a burst of fresh flavor and vibrant color. It gives the pizza that final gourmet touch with a hint of herbaceous magic. Not everyone's favorite, but we think it ties everything together beautifully. Now it's time to bake your masterpiece. Follow the baking time and temperature instructions on your pizza crust package. Keep an eye on it. Once the cheese is melted and bubbly and the crust is golden brown, your Disneyland-inspired barbecue chicken pineapple pizza is ready to enjoy. If you love this recipe, please like and subscribe for more magical meals. Don't forget to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear how it turned out.